Okay, it's gokublack versus me. I'm ready.
What's up, peeps?
I just
Rock, paper,
noticed
scissors, shoot.
I'm also here. Hello.
Alistair is here.
Yes. Hello, everyone.
What? See, if you
What?
do the reset, it resets everything every time. If you Alt Enter to minimize it, you would have to reset it all over again.
Yeah, I use Alt Tab instead of Alt Enter. You know what? I'll set a monster face down and pass turn, bruh.
And there's no ranked. Your rank is gone. But you can still play the game. And everything is reset all the time. Fuck's sakes.
I just used Microsoft, to be honest. I just put the Microsoft button.
You mean, yeah, the Windows button?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Plus I'm double monitoring, so it doesn't matter.
I had to make the dogmatic punishment.
Alright.
I was send construct to grave.
Alright. We're Legacy Guard Dragon. Safe for special.
God damn it.
Safe for its effect. For itself. Probably should have did this one.
I activate hand trap Ash Blossom. You get no search. Really gonna play him on me? Where's my kaiju deck when I need it?
YGO Shogun. Okay, I gotta turn off that graphics there. It's just a little too much. Too much for the video.
Really? Now you're sending my hedgehog to the graveyard.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll take the 35. Ow, whiplash. Yeah, you got round one because I can't do anything.
Let's do it.
I guess you're side decking, bro.
I'm done siding.
Alright, let's go. Set it face down. Summon Alice to the Invoker. Bring me invocation. Activate set invocation. I bring out Window. You Shadow Dragon. And Shadow Hedgehog. I will add Dragon to hand. Then I'll link summon. Go my own buddy. How do you like it now? Let's duel. Having Dragoon be played against you.
Shit.
And I got him out faster on my first turn. First movement solo. Lightning Storm. I'm not letting you get rid of my trap. Discard Squamata.
Oh my god. What's this deck? It's Shaddol invoked.
This is my Invoked Shaddolls. After Dogmatic Punishment,
I knew it. I knew it.
you send a Starving Venom Fusion Dragon to the grave.
Banish the black for the white. Chaos space. Banish to return to deck. Draw a card. God damn it.
Oh yeah, for the thumbnail, you can just use Mechaba as a thumbnail.
Yeah. Normal summon effect. Add.
Well there, boy, you got a lot of cards in your hand. You better work with them, man.
Trying. Romulus. Yeah. Hold on here. What is this guy? This guy target? Target. Okay, fuck. The targets. Damn it, damn it. Ravine activate. Discard timer. Send to the graveyard. Abs router. Abs router's effect. Rocket Tracer. Actually, I'll do this now. Yeah, I'll do this now.
Okay, boy. What you got now, boy? Yeah, boy. Gonna make some space, so I'll link these two off for seal. Shit. You ain't got nothing against my dragoon. Hold on here. I don't know if I could probably finish you. Probably. You ain't got no way to stop me, boy. Oh shit, I forgot about balls. That's right. Should I go for Savage or go for the Dragoon here? I'm going for the Dragoon. Play the deck do you play a deck the way you want, bro? It's your deck, not mine. Just know that Full Sword can't target Dragoon. Yeah, that's why I have Darkness Metal there. Can't go like this. He can't even be popped. Yeah, I can't pop my own Dragoon, right?
Can I
Yep,
pop
you
my
can't
own
pop Dragoo.
Right. Can't be destroyed, battle.
Yep.
What's that? Attack activate effect. Moral soul. Destroy.
Oh shit.
Dragoon. How much you got there? Oh yeah, and then Dragoon. Finish it.
Alright, I'll switch decks against you, bro.
Let's do always flawless. Or that wasn't flawless, but there it is. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys. Thank you, Goku Black, for the duel.